Hey guys, today's iPhone unboxing video is sponsored by AnyTrans. Of course, if you're looking to upgrade your iPhone, you want to make sure you back up your data before you do so. And of course, AnyTrans can help you back up everything that's on your iPhone, from messages, photos, videos, notes, reminders. I mean, everything you have on your iPhone, you can back up with AnyTrans and restore at a later time as many times as you need. So make sure you check out AnyTrans. Of course, links will be in the description down below. Hey guys, the wait is finally over. Happy iPhone 14 launch day. Of course, in studio, we're still waiting for all the new units to come in. We have first the iPhone 14 in the color blue. This one here, as you can see right there. Take a look at the box. The Apple logo is actually blue according to the color of the device, as well as the text right here that says iPhone in the front. Of course, we have the device. So let's just dive right into this video here quickly. Let's go ahead and unbox the new iPhone 14. And now the wait is over. I know many of you guys are receiving your devices today, so let me know which one did you purchase in those comments down below. I would like to hear from you, of course. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And wow, I really like that color. It is a nice subtle blue, if you will. And let's go ahead and peel off the plastic from the front. There it is. And this one does have the notch as the previous generation. Only the Pro versions do have the new dynamic island. Inside of the packaging, as expected, we have new instructions here for the eSIM. Remember, new iPhone 14 do not have here in the United States an actual SIM tray. So no more SIM trays here for the United States, eSIM only. So it gives you a step-by-step instructions right here on how to activate your eSIM. So let's go ahead and place that aside here. And of course, we get the Lightning to USB-C cable inside of the box as well. I have a product red here, iPhone 12, and this one is the current blue for the 14. So actually, let's go ahead and take a look at those two devices. Very similar. I really like this red here, but take a look at the side here where we have the volume rocker. Everything sort of matches right there, as you can see, but there's one thing missing, as I mentioned, and that is the SIM tray slot. No longer available here on the iPhone 14. Taking a look at the back here, of course, the cameras have been realigned here, as you can see right there, just like the iPhone 13. The cameras are slightly larger as well from the previous gen. And here we have the other side where the power button lies, and also the antennas for 5G, as you can see right there. In the bottom, pretty much identical, as you can see right there. So let's go ahead and set this device up, and I'll be right back. So I wanted to quickly share this screen here through the setup process. We got a new emergency SOS screen right here where it shows you how to press and hold the side and volume buttons together for emergency SOS. We now have crash detection as well, and we have coming later this fall emergency SOS via satellite here, and this is new on iPhone 14. And there it is. That is the iPhone 14, as you can see right there. I really like this blue color. Again, guys, more videos coming your way today. I'm going to be testing these devices, of course, to give you more in-depth information in regards to all the new features that are available on iPhone 14. This has just been a quick unboxing. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.